Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Rogue air filter. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a new engine air filter. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin this simple maintenance task. You will find the air filter housing located under the hood, typically on the passenger side of the engine compartment. This quick guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to follow for anyone. Now, let's access the old filter. You'll need to unclip the metal clamps around the air filter housing. Some models might also have a few screws that need to be removed with your Phillips head screwdriver. Gently detach any hoses or electrical connectors that might be in the way, being careful not to damage them. Once the cover is loose, you can lift it to reveal the old air filter inside the housing. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or other debris and clean it out thoroughly. Now, take your new air filter and ensure it's oriented correctly, matching how the old one was positioned. Gently place the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely within its designated slot. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully place the air filter housing cover back into position, ensuring all edges align properly. Reattach any hoses or electrical connectors that you removed earlier, making sure they are snug and secure. Fasten all the clips and screws to seal the housing completely. Once everything is back in place, start your engine to confirm that everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.